Hello, today we're going to be unboxing a brand new HP 14-inch laptop. Hello, today we're going to be unboxing a brand new 14-inch HP laptop with 8 gigs of RAM, an i5 processor, and a 256 gigabyte SSD. The power cord and power supply. Quick instruction sheet. Questions about this product, a little leaflet that's in a weird plastic sheath. Warranty information in really tiny print. And now we get to the laptop. It's a nice silver color. Well protected. And we'll go ahead and get this unwrapped. Here's the quick setup guide, just in case you've never used a laptop before. Some of the key features about this laptop is that it has USB 3.1 or USB-C. There we go. Two physical mouse buttons, mouse pad that's a little bit wider than I'm used to. Just a few stickers that can be removed if you want. The screen is rather glossy and reflective when it's off. It's a nice silver color. We have the vents on the back, and it does have rubber feet that slightly raise the vents off the table. Very slim design, so it has a Ethernet port that snaps open once you put an Ethernet cable in there, HDMI, and 2 standard USB ports on this side, and 1 USB-C port on the other side. So it does have both the older technology and the newer technology, and an SD slot if you want to expand your storage. Headphone jack, and your power cable connector port. And we're going to go ahead and image this computer. So we'll do an image first, and then I'm going to go ahead and check it out, see how much bloatware or extra software is on here, clean that up, run some Windows updates, and install some antivirus software before delivering it to the customer. And we see here that you can press the escape key to get to the startup menu, and you have a few choices, and I will be selecting the F9 boot device options so we can boot into Clonezilla. And that's going to be the UEFI USB hard drive, and we'll go ahead and give that a boot. Very responsive so far. This is one of the benefits of having an SSD as the primary storage for this device. Hi all, just doing a quick follow-up video now that I've fully finished setting up and updating this 14-inch HP laptop. This laptop can be found at Office Depot, Office Max for $4.99 right now, back to school special. I highly recommend this laptop. It's very lightweight, very snappy, and I think this is an awesome deal. It's Intel i5 8th generation processor with a 8 gigs of RAM and a 256 gigabyte SSD with Windows 10 Home Edition. It is just awesome. Here it is from a cold start, and we'll see how long it takes to get to the login screen and ready to use. I'm really impressed with this machine. I think it would be great for students, for home use, maybe not for video editing because of the limited storage, but for general computing and travel, it's pretty nice. And this is just firing up Chrome, and we're there that fast. I really like this machine. Did a little bit of cleanup, installed some free antivirus software on there, and also LibreOffice. It does come with Office 365 preloaded like most Windows 10 machines do, but don't want to spend extra money when I don't have to. LibreOffice is a great alternative unless you have some special use cases, very similar to Microsoft Office. And if you look here, this is the kind of the hub program where it loads up. It gives you a wizard of what you want to do next. You can do spreadsheets, documents. The layout is very nice, a little more classic as compared to the newest versions of Microsoft Office. So, highly recommend this machine, and let me know if you have any questions. I actually got this one for my mother, and I'll be sending it to her soon. Thank you.